Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to edit description of your YouTube channel. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on U button. Now tap on View Channel. Then tap on pencil icon. Now here you can see the description box. Now tap on the pencil icon that is besides description box. Now edit your description. After completing the editing, then tap on save. See here, your new description is now saved. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.